We still have a lot more to talk about when it comes to the coronavirus, but first, according to the National Institute of Mental Health, nearly 1 in every 5 adults in the U.S. will deal with mental illness.
But there aren't enough mental health workers to keep up with that demand. Emerald Morrow is at Tampa Bay Tech, where a groundbreaking program is aiming to change that.
At Tampa Bay Tech, we've had a health program here going back to the early 90s. So the infrastructure for adding a new mental health program to Tampa Bay Tech was a pretty easy thing.
And junior Nelli Jabbar could be one of the program's very first students.
I'm interested in the medical field.
Nelli is already in the school's medical magnet program and is weighing what she'll specialize in her senior year.
Originally I was thinking about being a regular doctor, and then I decided maybe I could be a surgeon so I can help people hands-on. But I also really like psychology and the aspects of it.
Starting next school year, seniors at Tampa Bay Tech and Leto high schools can study the mental health track, where they'll be exposed to careers in psychology, social work, counseling, and more.
We have a shortage of mental health workers in Hillsborough County, the state, and in the nation.
According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, only 15% of the need for mental health care professionals is being met in Florida, a major reason behind the program.
Probably the biggest thing for students is just being introduced to what the mental health field as a career looks like. They may have heard of a psychology class or a doctor that's a psychiatrist or psychologist, but they don't really know what it means, and this is a good way for high school students to be introduced to that as a career and what they could do down the road with it.
I feel like it's very important for people to know mental health, because physical problems aren't the only problems people may face.
Good to get them interested if they're thinking about a medical field anyway, and then you
Yeah.
open up this huge opportunity for them. That's fantastic.
It's interesting that she was going to go into surgery and now is thinking maybe psychiatry.
Yeah.
So that's good stuff. The district says it believes Tampa Bay Tech will be the first magnet school in the entire country to have a course track that focuses on mental health. Good for that.